Hello friends, today I'm trying to show you how to set up a 360 degree spin mop. This one I bought from Lulu hypermarket, which is a common one available there, and you will also get this thing delivered in such a kind of box, and we should assemble the parts to make the mop look like something like this. See, okay, and let's see how it can be done. It is so an easy process until you have done it for the first time. So let's see how can we assemble it. Inside the box we can see this water basin that is with the spin support, and the bottom cloth. This cloth we have to fix it to the base of the handle, and this cover which holds the parts of the handle, and it will be really easy for anyone to fix the handle to something like this. See, so it will be coming in 3 parts. You can just fix it one after the other to make it a long rod, and towards the base we have to fix the cloth. I will show you how to fix the cloth. So it will be like this, and just having a back side, and the front side is full of cloth, and you have to first turn it over, and we have to fix this plastic side into this frame like this. Okay, cute now. After this step it will look something like this, just having an inclination, and yes, we have to work with it with this inclination, but in order to spin it in this spin top, we have to make this handle to be 90 degree with that base. For that you have to just do one thing like this. You just have to press one side and just make it 90 degree forcefully. This is the only thing which we can do. Okay, then it will become 90 degrees, something like this, and then you can put it straight inside the spin tub and try. Oh no, it is not working. Yes, here what you have to do is we just need to unlock. You can see some kind or other kind of lock mechanism in almost all spin mops, and in this mop you can see there is a lock here, and you just have to unlock it like this. See, then you can see this length of the handle has been increased a little bit, after which you can try it like this. I'll show you. Yes, exactly. Yes, so on your press it will spin like that. Now the assembly is over, and you can try with some water in this spin base, and you can pour water inside this part, and you can dip the mop like this, and for cleaning purpose You can again make it inclined, and after you clean the surface, you just again bend it back to 90 degrees. Okay, then you put inside water to clean the mop, and then inside this 360-degree rotating spin top and press down. Yeah, then your mop will be very clean without any water or any dirt or something like that, and it will be ready to use as a fresh piece. So thank you for watching my video. Do it all this by yourself and assemble it easily. Thank you.